Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Yeah, we had some crazy movement on the LINK chart today, but we basically just rallied a little higher after my last update, and then the price got rejected at this trend line that I shared with you in the previous update. Okay, so a lot of people asked me for another LINK update, so I'll give you a quick update. Yeah, but the situation overall hasn't changed. So we have a break and probably sustained break above the recent highs. The price, obviously, as you would expect, started to struggle at this green horizontal resistance line. Yeah, so this is obviously the 2022 swing high from April 2022, and we have a previous swing high there as well from February 2022. But yeah, these are the two major ones. That's why the green line is there anyway. Structural resistance. In addition to that, it is where we have an ascending trend line. In addition to that, it is where the ideal target for that C wave for the wave 3 is. And it is where the actual ideal target for the wave 3 is sitting. So yeah, we expect a bit of a rejection there. I think the market just moved just slightly higher since the last update. So what I'll do, I'm going to update the micro support area for the wave 4 pullback. And to be honest, the wave 4 pullback should reach the area between $17.41 and $15.31. Whereas I have to say, a pullback just to $17.41 it would be extremely shallow. So ideally it goes sort of towards 16.57 or 15.93. I have to say that 15.31 would be very, very deep. Yeah, would be very deep. So I'm watching for a fourth wave pullback, ideally from this region. But yeah, I would still, I shouldn't say expect, but yeah, in this pattern, I would like to see one more high, yeah, in wave 5. So one more high to complete this pattern. It would look best with one more high, because this larger degree fourth wave likely finished here on the 8th of January. Then obviously we talked about a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 pullback, a wave 3 rally, a wave 4 pullback might have started to unfold already. And again, I gave you the relevant Fibonacci support levels. Yeah, and then one more high should push it into that region of $21 plus. I did today take my profits from the LINK grid bot, started to rotate them into the Matic position. I think that is at least, I don't tell you what to do, but I think that is a reasonable strategy, because it's always about reward and risk. So where I think, at least, I mean, it could be wrong, you know, nobody's got the crystal ball, but my view is that, yeah, I mean, surely LINK can move up higher. But I mean, what are we talking about? Maybe from $18 to 21, maybe 24, okay. Whereas I'm looking at Matic, and, you know, it could move up from where it's now to around about $2.12, maybe even higher. So there is a better reward to risk ratio on the Matic chart compared to LINK. Now, I just point out Matic because it's quite a clear setup, but there are other charts that, you know, also offer a better reward to risk ratio. That doesn't make LINK bad or anything. It just means that I see this chart as potentially getting to the end of this rally, which started in June. LINK, amazing performance. I mean, no deep pullbacks, really adhered very well to the overall parameters. No support got broken. You know, maybe here and there a micro support, but the overall support area that we've had on the chart since November, here between $9.78 and $12.95, that didn't break. And also, yeah, the most recent trading area got triggered here, the small one on the 23rd of January. So yeah, I think it's all working out well. I'm watching for potentially one more high in this wave 5, and then we could look forward to a deeper wave 2 pullback, which, to be honest, in a wave 2, we often say that they often end in the region of a previous wave 4 of the smaller degree. So we might talk about round about $12.50. Yeah. Not exactly there. It might come down a little lower. It also depends on how high the wave 1 goes. Then I can give you a support area for the wave 2. It's a bit too early for that. But yeah, looking good. And then obviously that wave 2 pullback, that could be basically a breakout setup. And the third wave could then take us way higher. Just to talk about potential targets, I mean, okay, let's assume the price goes to 21. Okay, maybe let's say 24. Then we'll have a support, ideal support, I mean, round about $11. Let's just say around $11. That allows us to calculate a target for that larger third wave, which should then follow. But a lot of speculation here. I just want to give you a bit of an idea. So let's say wave 1 will end around 24, then the pullback to around about $11, and then the third wave should take us to $76 minimally. So it's going to be interesting. Looking forward to that. So I want to get in, if we get another pullback afterwards, but we'll see. We'll see where it takes us. First of all, let's see if if we can get one more micro high here on this chart in wave 1. So yeah, that's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.